how to stream on TikTok with OBS. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. Now once we open our browser, the next thing that we need to do is to search for Atom Vertical and then Atom Multi-Stream. Now once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click this go to download. So let's download multi-stream right here. Same goes for the vertical. So just click download right here. And then once you've downloaded those, as you can see, I've already downloaded them. Now what we need to do is to just open them both. Now once you open them both, once it is done installing, once it is installed in your device, the next thing that we need to do is to open our OBS and then close it again. Now we're just going to reopen OBS right there. And then once you open it, this is what it should look like. So you should now have this vertical right here. Now on this part, if you don't see this Atom multi-stream, all you have to do is to just click this docs and then enable this Atom multi-stream right here. Now what we need to do is to just go here on the vertical sources and then just click this and then click add display capture. So just click new right here. So it's up to you if you want to edit this. So let's say for example that you want to share both of your screen right here. So let's do that. Now, once you go live on TikTok, this is what it will look like. This vertical screen right here. So this is what it will look like. Once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the settings for the Atom multi-stream. So click that and then go to vertical canvas and then click add output. Now, once you do that, click TikTok and then just put the TikTok server and then of course your TikTok stream key and then click create output. Now, once you do that, once you added that, just click OK right here and then start virtual camera. Now, what we need to do next is to open the TikTok Live Studio right here. Now, once you're here, what we need to do is to click add camera right there. And then make sure that you have also enabled this virtual camera right here. So as you can see, mine is already going. So what we need to do here is to click the camera right here and then click OBS virtual camera. So as you can see right here, I can't use my OBS virtual camera yet because I need to complete some certain requirements of TikTok, which is right here. So once you're now done with this, just click add source. And then once you click that, that should be it. That is pretty much it. So once again, that is how to stream on TikTok with OBS.